Well, I hope you enjoyed that. We are in Sleeping Bear National Lakeshore, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we did the Empire Bluffs hike, and it's probably one of our top 10 hikes that we've ever done.
It really was.
It was really, really beautiful. I hope you enjoyed it. We're trying to do a different format now. Instead of talking through our videos, wherever we're hiking, whatever we're doing, we're trying to create more cinematic, kind of you come hiking with us type videos. Let us know in the bottom in the comments if you like this kind of format or not. We're enjoying doing it. It kind of gives me a little more artistic opportunity to add music and create an atmosphere. So we're really liking it. First of all, we just want to thank everybody for 10,000 subscribers. It's only because of you guys and you watching and being part of this, and we really, really appreciate that. And if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel if this is kind of stuff that you like to watch. We have been at the Lakeshore now for maybe about a week, and we've done 3 or 4 hikes now, so we're going to be posting a lot more of the hikes in the area. This we really, really like Michigan.
Yeah, we this is our first time to Michigan, and it's just overwhelming, the beauty that's around here that you wouldn't think. Like just coming up that Empire Bluff Trail and looking out over the lake, you would almost think that you're in some Caribbean island or something. The water is so pretty, and when you come up that trail, it's a little deceiving because there's a lookout, and a lot of people just turn around and go back. But if you go off to the left, there's kind of like a unofficial trail that we hiked that goes for miles and miles, and it was really isolated and beautiful. We really had a great time doing that. It's a little bit challenging at some points, you know. It's a lot of sand, which makes you go one step up and a half a step back, so but that's okay. That's good for the cardio, and it could not have been prettier that day. It was just wonderful, so we really enjoyed it.
I hope you liked it. Again, thank you so much for being subscribers, and if you're not subscribers, please subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.